Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a video play in Roblox. So step 1, we need a part, make your screen or whatever. There. Then what we're going to want to do is right click on here, insert object, surface, first surface GUI, we have this. Alright, so then we're going to want to go to toolbox, get a video here, it's in here. I'm just going to do weapon safety, and now we have that. And drag it into Surface GUI. And here it is. But that's not all. So now we're going to need to go in here and scroll down a bit. And here, looped and playing. So we're going to need to do that. And volume, keep it at 1. Or turn it up if you want to. And it should work. So we'll spawn in. Takes a bit. Here, and it shows you how to do this. And yeah, that's how you make a video play in Roblox. So you can make movie theaters with this, and I might do that. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.